Hello class, welcome to the recording for week 6. This week we're talking about the importance of creating presentations. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. It offers word processing, outlining, drawing, graphing, and presentation management tools to help you produce professional looking electronic presentations. The reading this week are from the PowerPoint 2013 chapters 1, 2, and 3. The assignments is the discussion board. You conduct an in-depth review of one aspect of creating presentation that you feel is important to the effectiveness of presentation. Do not forget your APA reference and 3 replies. The week 6 assignment, you're to create a PowerPoint presentation. You're going to use a template. You're going to create 7 slides as specified. Read over the problem and create the slides as it should do. Then you're to format the specify as specified for the presentation and then save the file in the week 6 folder, naming it W6 last name. So to choose a template in PowerPoint 2013, you're going to click the file, or you're going to open PowerPoint and you're going to just pick one of the templates. So let me show you how to do that. So let me get to, my mouse is kind of going slow today. Let me get to PowerPoint. So when you first open it, it shows you all the templates that are available. Just pick one. Doesn't matter which one. Then you're going to click the Create button, which is right there. Once you create it starts with the title slide, and then you can either add a section or do Control M, which will add a slide. So slide 1 is going to be why am I the best candidate, and you're going to have your name. Slide 2 is for objectives. You're going to list at least 3. If you have less than 3, then you will lose points. Align the qualifications with the internship requirement and your resume. So this internship job is going to be dependent on what you do, what your career is, what your resume has. So think of it as a summer job. Use words that describe how your background and strengths would make you a strong candidate for the position. This section should be concise and contain action words such as obtain a summer internship, something along that line. Whoops, sorry about that. The remaining slides, slide 3 is qualifications, slide 4 is education, slide 5 is employment, slide 6 is skills. You must have a maximum of 3 skills. You can have 1 or 2, but you can't have more than 3. And that's in the left content area. In the right content area, you're going to insert a clip art for each skill. So if you have 3 skills, you should have 3 pictures, no videos. You're going to resize the images so they fit on the right and apply an image style, which is picture style. And to do that, you click Pictures tab and Format, and then slide 7 is the conclusion, closing remarks. You're going to answer the question, why am I the best candidate? And that slide also needs to have bullets. So I thought I'd go over some of the formatting that's required. Set all text boxes to 24. Animate all text boxes on 2 through 6. Animate any photo or clip art used. Select a transition for the entire presentation. Apply a different one to slides 1 and 7. Use the header footer feature. Make sure you check spelling and grammar and save your work and submit the presentation. So to change the content slides of every single slide, that has a content box, you're going to go to the slide master, which is on the insert tab, I believe, or design view. So you're going to go to the view menu and you're going to click on slide master. What that does is it opens all the slide masters for whatever you're going to do. And you want to work on the content box. So you're going to highlight the content box. Then you're going to go back to home and change the font. So make sure you've highlighted just the content box. This does not apply to the title. You're going to change it to Arial 24 point. And then you're going to go back to the slide master and close it. Once you close it, then you get out of there. Okay, so change the font to Arial 24. And then the next thing is animate text slides. The text on slides 2 through 6. You can animate anything in 3 steps. Select what you want to animate, select an animation, and tweak it with effects. So, for instance, if we highlight Obtain a Summer Internship, click on the Animations tab, and then you're going to click on the animations. Now, if you click this little arrow here, it opens the gallery so you can see more animations. Then next to that is the effects. So if you click on the effects, it brings up the effects box. Now, it doesn't really talk about setting the effect. That's just so you know for future reference. You're supposed to animate all text on slides 2 through 6, including the titles. Image styles and animate the photo or clip art used. Now, when it says image styles, it means picture styles. So you highlight the picture, then you click on the picture style button if you want to open it to see more. That opens the gallery. Then you just click on one of these picture styles. Make sure it's one that I can tell. For instance, if it already has a black border, choose a different one so I can tell that you've done that. To animate the picture, you click on the picture, click on the animation tab, and do the same thing. You pick an animation, and then you can use the desired effect that you want. To set a transition, you're going to click the Transitions tab, and then you see the transitions. If you click the down arrow, again, you'll have more available transitions in there in groups. So say if you click on checkerboard, you want to make sure you apply to all. That makes it apply to every single slide. So then you'll see a star next to the slide number. To do a different one for slide 1 and 2, you just go to slide 1 and say we're going to do origami. You pick on origami, but you don't apply it to all. You just click on it, and then it will apply just to 1. Then you go to 7 and click on origami again. 1 and 7 should be the same. To do the header and footer, you're going to click on the Insert tab, click on Header and Footer, and this box will open. Now you can do it on the slide master, but that's not the best way to do it because it doesn't always come out right. You want to make sure and check date and time, slide number, footer, put your name in, and do not show on the title slide. After you say apply to all, then it puts your name, the date, and the slide number, but it won't show up on the title slide, and that's the correct way to do it. To check grammar and spelling, so normally if you just go to the Review tab and click ABC Spelling, it will check spelling. To turn on the grammar, you click on the File, tab, and when you get this orange box, you click options, then you click proofing, and you make sure to check the box where it says check grammar with spelling. Then once you've checked the grammar and spelling, it will give you a box telling you that it's fine. Don't forget to check your animations and transitions by viewing, and you go to the slideshow tab and view from the beginning, and that way you can see if your slides work. For transitions and animations, you can choose any you like. Make sure they work to get all the points possible. You do not need to compress the file this week, just submit your PowerPoint presentation. And I think that's the last slide. So that's all I have for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know.